Audacity is capable to generate amazing effects from simple recording. Let's hear the effect first, and then I will show how to make this radio sweeper effect. Audacity is an amazing free software. It is more powerful than you think. It can make amazing effects from simple audio recordings. I hope you enjoy this effect. If you used a headphone, you know how amazing it feels. This effect has been generated from this very simple audio recording. Let's hear it without the effects. Audacity is an amazing free software. It is more powerful than you think. It can make amazing effects from simple audio recordings. I hope you enjoy this effect. It is simple and its loudness level is okay for a single track. You have to normalize it to a lower volume because we have to make duplicates of this track. But before that, make sure you have some silent parts at the end. Whenever you want to add some fancy effects, there has to be some room at the end to have a smoother ending. I will copy-paste some silent parts, and it will work. After that, I will normalize to a lower volume. If you have the peak amplitude near -12, you may not need to normalize. I will normalize to -8, so when I make duplicates, overall volume will be okay. Now make 2 duplicates of the original track. Select the whole track and Command D or Control D to duplicate the track. You see I have 3 tracks in total and all tracks are the same at this point. For the second track, pan to the left 100%. For the third track, do the opposite, pan to the right 100%. This panning will add different effects on the left and right sides of the headphone. For the left pan track, shift it slightly to the right side. You can grab the label on top of the track and drag. Do the opposite for the other track. As it was panned right, I have to shift it a bit to the left. You do not have to shift too much, a slight shift produces the best effect. You can experiment a bit with shifting to get the best result. Let's hear it. Audacity is an amazing free software. It is more powerful than you think. It can make amazing effects from simple audio recordings. I hope you enjoy this effect. It is already giving a nice radio sweeper effect, and we can make it better with some echo. Add some echo to the first track. Delay time should be less than 1 second, and I am giving 0.8 seconds. It is not a rule, but keeping it less than 1 second gives a nice effect. For the decay factor, I will set 0.4. The more the decay factor is, the louder the echo will be. Let's listen. Audacity is an amazing free software. It is more powerful than you think. It can make amazing effects from simple audio recordings. I hope you enjoy this effect. Our effect is now complete, and you can make a single track from this which you can share. To do that, select all the tracks, and then go to the Tracks menu. Then go to Mix and choose either Mix and Render to New Track or Mix and Render. I will choose Mix and Render. A new stereo track is now created from all the tracks. As I had different effects on the left and right channels, a stereo track is created automatically. It is the same as before. Let's listen. Audacity is an amazing free software. It is more powerful than you think. It can make amazing effects from simple audio recordings. I hope you enjoy this effect. I can now export this track and share it with others or use it in my project. If you want to learn other cool effects in Audacity, please check the card on the screen. Thanks for watching this video and see you next.